Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Quickmill Andreja espresso machine. Let's go ahead and pull a shot. So you can see I have the grind a little too fine, but you can see we're right at 9 bar, which is where we want it. And so I think with the grind just a little bit coarser, it'll be the perfect shot. Nice hot water. Good steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.